Welcome to the Getting Started with Rejoyn tutorial. Please go ahead and have your phone in hand and feel free to pause this video at any point as you follow along. First, let's make sure you have your 8-character Rejoyn access code. By now, you should have received it either directly from your provider or contacted by a pharmacy. If you don't have your access code yet or run into any issues, call our nurse support line at 1-833-Y-REJOIN or 1-833-9-735-696. Nurses are available Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time, excluding holidays. Next, download the Rejoyn app. You'll need an internet connection for this. You can find it in the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Just search Rejoyn. Once the app is downloaded, let's open it up. On the landing screen, you'll see 2 options. For your first time using the app, tap Get Started to create your account. You'll see a page about our commitment to protecting your personal data. After you've read through it, tap Next. Now, if you agree, check the 3 boxes confirming you agree to the app's terms and privacy policy, then tap Next. Want to receive extra support for Rejoyn? Nurses are available to help you get started and to support you along the way, keeping you on track. Rejoyn nurses can be reached by phone at 1-833-Y-REJOIN. By checking off this box, you would agree to receive call and text message support from Rejoyn's nurses and other Rejoyn care team members or customer support about your Rejoyn account setup or use of Rejoyn. If you choose to not sign up for support, tap Next without checking the box. You can change this option at any time by clicking Privacy Choices under the profile icon. You'll then see an option to share your Rejoyn treatment data with your healthcare provider, things like when you start treatment and your progress. Check the box if you want to share this information or tap Next without checking it. And again, you can change this later under Privacy Choices. Next is a set of optional consents that help us improve Rejoyn for future users. You can choose whether to allow your de-identified app data to be used for research and product development, occasional emails inviting you to share feedback, sharing of app usage data with analytics partners. These are optional and not required to use the app. Select any you agree with or tap Next. Now, enter the name you'd like the app to use when greeting you throughout treatment. Next, let's create your account. Enter an email you can access and create a password that meets the requirements shown. Then tap Continue. You'll see a screen letting you know that a 5-digit verification code has been emailed to you. Tap Continue. Open the email sent from noreply@rejoyn.com. Find your verification code and enter it. If you don't see it in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Once you enter the code, tap Verify. Great. Your email is verified. Tap Continue. Next, enter your mobile phone number. Providing your number allows us to send text messages as part of the program, including therapeutic messages later on. Once you enter your number, tap Send Verification Code. You'll receive another 5-digit code by text from 1-6318-68-5982. Check your messages, including any spam or unknown sender folders. Then enter the code and tap Verify. Awesome! Your phone number is now verified. Tap Continue. Now it's time to enter your Rejoyn access code to unlock your treatment. Once you have your 8-character code, type it in and tap Verify. You should now see a message confirming your access code is verified. Tap Continue. Congratulations! Your account setup is now complete and you've officially taken the first step toward doing more to treat your depression symptoms. Tap Next. Set aside time regularly to complete the exercises and lessons. Tap Next. Plan to use Rejoyn 3 to 6 times per week for a total of less than 2 hours per week. Tap Next. If you're ready to begin your treatment, tap Start Rejoyn Now. A pop-up will appear confirming that your 6-week program will begin today. Rejoyn is designed to be used consistently for the full 6 weeks. It's okay to miss a task occasionally. but you won't be able to pause or restart the program once you begin, which is after this step. When you feel ready to start, tap OK. We're glad that you're taking this important step to seek help. This isn't always easy, so congratulations on making this commitment. Now, you'll move into onboarding, which is a brief set of screens that explain your activities and how to navigate the app. Tap Next to continue. Over the next 6 weeks, we'll guide you through therapeutic lessons and brain exercises to help you manage your depression. The lessons and exercises work together to help you make real and lasting progress. Tap Next. Each week, you'll unlock 3 therapeutic lessons where you'll learn new skills and how to use them in your life. These skills help restore positive feelings, balance thinking, and get you back to the activities and people that matter. Tap Next. Your program also includes brain exercises that strengthen your ability to deal with negative thoughts and feelings. These exercises help you shift the negative focus of depression, while the lessons show you how to put this work into your day-to-day life. Tap Next. It's okay if you don't see or feel results immediately. It takes time and practice, one day at a time. And we will be here to help you. Tap Next to proceed. Each week of this program includes 6 tasks, 3 lessons, and 3 exercises. We recommend 1 task per day, alternating between lessons and exercises. But if you prefer, you can do 1 lesson and 1 exercise on the same day. Tap Next. Each lesson will give you tools and strategies designed to help you manage your depression. Review lessons anytime from the Learn tab. Each brain exercise consists of 15 rounds. During each round, you will see faces with different emotions: disgusted, happy, sad, and surprised. You will then be asked to remember if the emotion was the same as the emotion you saw earlier in the round. As you go through the rounds, the exercise may get harder, and you will be asked about people's emotions that were shown to you further back. You can only do 1 exercise per day. Tap Next. As a reminder, we recommend that you complete 1 task per day, which will alternate between lessons or exercises. We understand that some days may be especially busy or tough. If you miss a day, you can catch up by doing 2 tasks the next day. Next, you will pick a time for your daily task. Each daily task will take between 5 to 30 minutes. Select the time that works best for you, then tap Confirm. We also recommend adding your reminder to your phone's calendar. Tap Add to Calendar, or choose Don't Add to Calendar to skip. If you skip, you'll be asked whether you want to allow phone notifications, so please choose whichever works best for you. And that's it. You're all set. You can update your daily reminder anytime. Tap Next to access your treatment program and begin. Rejoyn is a prescription digital therapeutic for the treatment of major depressive disorder symptoms as an adjunct clinician-managed outpatient care for adult patients with MDD aged 22 years and older who are on antidepressant medication. It is intended to reduce MDD symptoms. Rejoyn is not intended to be used as a standalone treatment. Rejoyn does not replace your current medication, including medication for treatment of MDD. You should continue your current treatment as directed by your healthcare provider. Rejoyn cannot send alerts or warnings to your healthcare provider. If you feel that your depression symptoms are worsening, or if you have feelings or thoughts of harming yourself or others, please contact your healthcare provider, dial 911, or go to the nearest emergency room immediately.